I'm afraid what's beyond this point is for men only.
I'm nobody's boy. I'm a pirate.
And pirates on board. And does our pirate have a name?
I am called Arrow.
And I'm called Cinnamon, but every seaman who's ever sailed into my cove